Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add a red circle on your PDF file using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element. Now click on this comment option and here you will find this shape option and click on this down arrow and this is oval shape, that's means circle. Click here. Now draw a circle and this right side bar, this top corner, here you will find this properties option and select here this shape border color red and also you can select your fill color red and see this and this transparency option and see this perfect red circle now created and see this you can increase decrease this transparency. Yeah, this is a red shape. Now click on this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.